Crafts. Hello, Trey the sequel. Today we are going to explore the process of crafting something of your very own. It has been a life of crafting for me over some time now, and along the path to craft, some very powerful tips and tricks have been gathered. Today we are here to share something from me to you. It is a craft unlike another, and that is why we are going to learn my craft and how it is made. Welcome. Sit down. Let's craft together. Step 1. The perfect craft. In order to get your perfect craft, what you need is the proper steps to do it, and that means one thing. You need to get the parts to your craft. All the different parts. This is when you need to get them. This is crucial. You have to make sure you get them now. Let me try to help you with an analogy. If you were to have a stew, and to drink a stew before you added in all the ingredients, you would be left with nothing. So it's absolutely important that we get those things now. But we are not supposed to just go do this now. We have to wait and find out if there's an easy and quick transaction to find. You will actually usually find it when it most likely finds you too. It would be hard-pressed to find a person who hasn't been to the bazaar. If you live in one of the main areas, then you will encounter the faceless merchants sometime wherever you go, but the more we don't say about that, the better. The bazaar looks different in each person's mind. Where did these come from, you may think? But we are not supposed to stay like this too long. But we have to discuss now an extremely crucial. As we were saying, let me try to help you with an analogy. If you were to have a stew and to drink a stew before you added in all the ingredients, you would be left with nothing. So it's absolutely important that we get those things now. Step 2. The perfect craft. Step 2. Let me try to help you with an analogy. This is very careful at this step of the process. Step too swiftly and you may break a branch. Step too softly and you may be broken. In other ways we could put it, when faced with the craft, your will must be firm and resolute, a perfect line between the two edges. In one hand, you may lose your grip of the craft. In the other, the craft may lose its grip over you. Both are deadly. Certainly both you and along with myself can now appreciate the power of craft. Truly a achievement to behold. We did it. We crafted. Stand up. You should feel good. You aren't welcome here. You learned my secrets, and it's time for you to go. A crossroads of the craft has been reached, and I compel you to take these powerful lessons with you. And now your very own craft can become something more. Until tomorrow, name, goodbye, crafts.